Alright guys, how you guys doing today? So this video is going to show you how to install the e-brake cable on a Toyota Mr2 Sw20. And big shout out to Mr2 Heavens for making these e-brake cable. They're super affordable and very well made, just like OEM stuff. I like it. So first off is you're going to lift up your car and locate the e-brake cable, which is the two piece right here. And you want to, inside the car, release the e-brake cable so that way there's some play, and then you can adjust it later on as well. So right now we're gonna undo that, trace the two lines, this cable right here, slide to the stock location, and this piece right here, this one is pretty much damaged already, so it's coming off. And replace those as well. So there's a pin right here. Take that C-clip off, undo the pin, release the whole cable. Same for both sides. So as you can see here, I undid the clip already. And these are the three pieces. This clip is for the e-brake in the back, the pin for the caliper, and then this clip for the pin. So this pin goes through here, and then this pretty much locks this thing in place. And then the C-clip right here pretty much lock this guy with this bracket. And then you just kind of trace it through, trace a line, run it through here, and undo this 10mm bolt where this stopper right here. And you go all the way up, undo this little clip right here, go all the way up, undo this spacer clip right here, and then undo it from that piece. Right now it's pretty easy to do, so you can just undo that. And then I think the whole cable should come off. And the new cable, just run it back in place. New lines in on the right side. New yellow clip. Run through here. New clip. Right here. That's where the stopper is. So you want to put this back in place. It goes like that to lock it in place with a 10mm socket bolt. Run through here, run through here, run through here, and just go ahead and reconnect the pin with the bracket and put the pin in and lock it in place. Alright, pretty much here's the comparison, the Mr2 Heaven one's e-brake cable compared to the old beat up one, the stock one. So cool, here it is. Pretty much identical. And that's the new cable right here. It goes all the way back. Goes back to the stock location. And here it is, the new clip. The pin goes right in. Then the clip goes in place. And then put this back to where it was. Alright, and go ahead and I'll place the other side and then adjust the e-brake as well. Alright, so when you're in the car, you want to just pretty much feel the engagement on the e-brake. If it's really loose, then you want to tighten up the bottom of the e-brake cable adjuster. But this looks pretty good. It feels pretty good as far as tension. If it's like super loose, you have to adjust the rod up a little bit, so that way you give it tension to the cable. But other than that, that's a good tension, so I'm happy. So one click is usually where I want to be to stop the car, and then you can pull more if you want. But yeah, that's pretty good tension for me. If you pull back and it doesn't go back in place, give it more tension. But if it's got pretty good tension right here, you're good. So just go ahead and play around with it. Just put it on a slope and then pull it up. Let's see if the car slides back. If it does slide back, then you got to add more tension to it. And over time, the cable gets stressed out. But these are brand new cables, so compared to before, it has a lot more tension. All right, so we're good on this part. And go ahead and finish the bottom and put the bottom center covers on, and we're good to go. And pretty much to adjust the tension, you want to break this loose. And if you want to increase tension, you want to push this piece up. If you want to loosen it, it goes down. So before, this was really loose. But now, since I put brand new cables on, this will be a lot more tighter. But I'm going to put some more tension on it. So what I want to do is just kind of keep this as much tension as possible. So right now, there's still a little play. So let's go ahead and increase this up a little bit. All right, and looks like it's pretty good tension now. It's not loose anymore like before. All right, let's tighten it. All right, cool. And that looks even right there. All right, I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll make more videos on how to fix these MR2s. All right, guys. All right, and here it looks again with brand new cables. New cables right there. New cables. New cables. All right.